In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fog light cover on your Nissan Versa located on the left front side of your vehicle. The process for this is the same as the other side. On the bottom side of the vehicle, on the front lip area here, normally you're going to have a splash shield underneath. If your vehicle has this here, there's going to be three 10mm bolts across the front side here, and there's going to be two plastic clips on either side. You want to go ahead and remove those there. Our particular vehicle, as you can see, does not have that here. So now we're going to go to the left front side over here. And there's going to be some retainers here, plastic buttons, and a bolt right here. Let's go ahead and remove those. I'm going to use our trim tool to go ahead and remove the plastic retainer button right here. And pull that unit out. And we're going to peel this down. This is going to give us access to the back side to that fog light cover. Now on the back side here, we can see there's going to be two tabs here. Now if you want, you can use a pocket screwdriver. You want to push in on this tab and push that through on the front side. We're going to do the same on the upper one here. Sometimes you can just use your finger to push on it. Other times you have to use a screwdriver or a pry tool. You just want to bend that tab in. Now there's two on the other side, more inboard. A little bit tougher to get to. Ideally, if you can get these two outer ones here and push that out, you can then just pop out the insert here from the front. Now we're able to loosen the outer ones here, and then we went to the other side and we did the same. And we're able to pop out this section right here. So basically, as you're working the back side with one hand, you can be coming around to the front side, pulling out the rest of that unit. Just putting slight pressure on there to work that out, and then pop that out like so. Now that you have that out, and take the new one, and there are four tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be pretty basic installation. Just line that back up. And you're going to press it into place. We do want to make sure that all four of these tabs fit in nice and even. All right, we're locked in, and you're all set. I'm going to press our cover back up and in, line that up. Now on the bottom side here, I want to go ahead and reinstall your installation bits here. If you have a bolt or screws, some of our hardware was damaged when we removed it, so we had to source some other components here, replacement plastic buttons. Once you've completed this side here, go ahead and do the same for the passenger side, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.